UT Knoxville Chancellor Donde Plowman taking on the NCAA, hitting back hard after the governing board of college sports put the university under scrutiny, looking at new rules on NIL, name, image, and likeness. She is gaining more and more support. Now attorneys general from two states, Tennessee and Virginia, are backing her up in court. Attorney Greg Isaacs joins us to discuss where this whole thing could go next. Greg, as always, thank you for being here.
Lori, it's good to be here.
So those AGs are backing Chancellor Plowman here legally. How does that show up in the courtroom?
Well, in the courtroom, there's been a lawsuit filed here and a lawsuit in Virginia. And they are asking for a temporary restraining order and a permanent injunction prohibiting the NCAA for investigating and sanctioning the University of Tennessee for violations of NIL.
Well, what happens if they get this case to move forward?
Wow. Well, this really goes to the heart of NIL, and if they prevail, it will basically derail the whole system. If we lose, NIL will be on hold and maybe gone forever. Now let's rewind. In 2020, the Supreme Court in the Alston decision ruled that it was a violation of antitrust for the NCAA to allow universities to exploit amateur athletes by making them play for free or very low wages. So you have NIL. And there were very little guidance and rules, and Donde Plowman really hits that hard. Chancellor Plowman says the rules are contradictory, non-existent, but we complied with what was in effect at the time. So basically the big picture is, fast forward, you can pay athletes, but it was supposed to be tied to internships, public appearances.
The timing of everything,
The timing of everything. But even though you could give them NIL contracts, it cannot be an inducement to go to a particular university, and that's how the investigation and NICO comes into play.
Here at UT.
Here at UT. So think about this. If you can't use the money from a collective, and typically the money flows through a collective at UT, Texas A&M, Florida, if it's not used to induce someone to come to your university, why would the boosters put the money in the collective?
What would be the point?
What would be the point? And these ever-changing memos and guidance from the NCAA is something that is really creating problems. And for a violation, to prove an inducement, it used to be a requirement of clear and convincing evidence. Now, in 2023, the NCAA has adopted an incredibly low standard. Circumstantial information and evidence can get you in hot water with the NCAA. Our Attorney General and the university has said no way. So federal court, there's going to be a big showdown. But if the NCAA wins, what is going to happen to all the money and all these athletes? It's incredible. If they lose, the NIL that is wide open is going to be even more wide open.
We'll be watching. We'll be covering.
It's exciting.
All right.